Dimensions: 8.9, L 4.1, W 3.9, H material, stainless steel, plastic color, white special. Feature: compact recommended uses for product, vegetable product care instructions, dishwasher safe blade material, stainless steel item. Weight: 0.7 pounds. Blade shape: square. Operation mode: manual. Item weight: 11.2 ounces. Manufacturer: OXO ASIN B09 WFWN 76D. Country of origin: China. Item model number: 11339900. Customer reviews: 4.5 out of 5 stars. 1,899 bestsellers. Rank: #450 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #8 in seasoning and spice choppers. Date first available: March 24th, 2022. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper in white is a versatile and convenient tool for any kitchen. With its compact design and durable construction, this vegetable chopper is a must-have for those who enjoy cooking and preparing fresh vegetables. One of the standout features of this product is its ergonomic design, which ensures a comfortable grip.
Dimensions: 13.5, L 4.3, W 4.5, H material, plastic color, 12-in-1 special feature. Vegetable chopper. Recommended uses for product, vegetable product care instructions, hand wash only. Blade material, stainless steel item. Weight: 1.5 pounds. Blade shape: square. Operation mode: manual. Item weight: 1.5 pounds. ASIN B0 CB7 QR48D. Item model number: vegetable chopper. Customer reviews: 4.4 out of 5 stars. 1,840 bestsellers. Rank: #606 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #9 in seasoning and spice choppers. Date first available: July 6th, 2023. This vegetable chopper by Amzeth is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that enables you to quickly and easily chop various vegetables. With its 12-in-1 color design, this chopper adds a touch of vibrancy to your kitchen decor while providing outstanding performance. The chopper's plastic construction ensures durability, making it ideal for everyday use. Its compact size and dimensions of
Product name: vegetable chopper, pro onion chopper. Product dimensions: 13.5, L 4.5, W 4.5, H material, stainless steel, plastic color, gray. Product care instructions: hand wash only. Blade material: stainless steel blade. Length: 14 inches. Operation mode: manual. Item weight: 1.43 pounds. Manufacturer: Snifadar ASIN B0B41 NL1 JC. Item model number: vegetable chopper. Customer reviews: 4.2 out of 5 stars. 7,231 reviews. Bestsellers: rank: #26 in kitchen and dining. #2 in seasoning and spice choppers. Date first available: August 1st, 2022. The vegetable chopper, Pro Onion Chopper by Snifadar, is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that helps simplify your food preparation tasks. With its high-quality construction and user-friendly design, this vegetable chopper offers a convenient solution for chopping vegetables and other ingredients with ease. One of the standout features of this product is its durable construction.
Processor by Hovobo is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines functionality and safety to deliver exceptional performance. With its powerful 500W electric motor, this meat grinder food chopper offers efficient grinding capabilities, making it an ideal companion for your culinary adventures. One notable feature of this food processor is its safety lock mechanism, which ensures that the appliance remains secure and stable during operation. This is an important aspect, especially when dealing with sharp blades and heavy ingredients. The safety lock provides peace of mind, preventing any accidents or mishaps while using the device. In terms of dimensions, the food processor measures 8.6 inches in diameter, 6.9 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. Its compact size makes it suitable for any kitchen countertop, taking up minimal space while offering maximum functionality. The appliance comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of elegance to
Electric Chopper with Meat Grinder. The Geniza Food Processor, Electric Chopper with Meat Grinder, is an impressive kitchen appliance that offers a range of features designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its sleek design and versatile functionality, it is a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. One of the standout features of the Geniza food processor is its safety lock mechanism. This ensures that the chopper will not operate unless the lid is properly locked in place, providing peace of mind and preventing accidents. The safety lock is a particularly important feature when dealing with sharp stainless steel blades. Speaking of blades, the Geniza food processor comes with a high-quality chopping blade made of durable stainless steel. This ensures precision and efficiency when chopping various ingredients, whether it's onions, vegetables, or even meat. The two-speed control allows you to choose the appropriate speed for